Hello everybody, welcome to Mary's The Art of Cooking. Today we're going to make neck bone stew. So come on in my kitchen and learn something, alright? So over here I have about 4 to 5 pounds of neck bone. Let me get the glare off of here, we don't need the glare. Yeah, there you go. I have about 4 or 5 pounds of neck bone, and I did use my vinegar to clean them, so I'm just washing them off right now so that I can put them in that pot of water. You don't have to let your water boil if you don't want to. If you want to let it boil, fine. If you don't want to let it boil, it's okay, because guess what? It's all going to work out just right. So I'm going to put these in there. Put the bone down first. And I'm putting the big ones at the bottom, because the larger bones are going to take the longest to cook. So, see how nice and meaty that is? And what I did when I clean my meat, I like to take this veinless thing out to where it's like clear. And that's what I did to all of them as I was cleaning them with the vinegar. And these are really meaty neck bones. Okay. There. So let me wash my hands. Let me wash out this sink too. While I'm at it, get the grease in. Okay, so in my pot, I have put all of my oxtail. So I'm gonna just start seasoning it up a little bit. I'm gonna put some garlic powder. You don't have to be afraid to use garlic powder. Use your garlic powder. I'm gonna put some, onion powder. This is the garlic. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. And this is your garlic. Okay? And I'm gonna try a little something new. It's called Complete It's complete with everything in it. It has your onion, your garlic, and it has, look like basil. What else? Oregano. It has parsley. And it says spices and herbs, dehydrated vegetables. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use. And it smells good. It smells really good. Okay. And then I'm going to use some black pepper. Okay. And then I'm going to use some chicken bouillons. You don't have to worry about if you put too much. Trust me. The meat is not done. It's going to need water to be added into it. So then you're going to lose the saltiness of the seasoning. And then you're going to have to re-season again. So in this is my onion and bell peppers. I'm going to put half and half. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let it cook. I'm going to let it cook down with some flavor of onion and bell pepper. And then later I'm going to come back and I'm going to put the rest of the bell peppers in when it's almost ready. When it's almost done, then I'm going to put some more bell pepper and onion. So I'm going to put this over here. And in this, I have some celery. And I'm going to chop me some celery up, ladies and gentlemen. And then later when I come back, you'll see me add the peas and carrots and all this other good stuff. I've already washed my celery stock. So what I'm going to do is just cut it. It's good to dice them, but I'm not dicing. I'm just going to slice them. It'll give it a good flavor. You cut it down the middle and just cut. How's everybody doing today? Looked like we was going to get some rain, huh? I guess it changed its mind. Then I'm going to cut this last one up. Okay. You wonder why I smelled it? Because sometimes you can smell the seasoning in something to see if you have to add more or, you know. And right now, this complete is complete. I like this. It smells really good. It has everything in it that I will be using. So I don't have to run to my cabinet, add this, add that, add this. Complete did pretty good. So I'm going to let this cook And I'm gonna put this over here because I will need it later. Later on. So this is my preparation video, and when it is done, I'll be back to show you the finished product, okay? All right.